Looking to grow your wealth but unsure where to start? Investing can feel overwhelming, but today we're making it simple. In this video, we'll explore the types of trade markets you can invest in, from stocks to cryptocurrencies, so you can find the best fit for your financial goals. Let's dive in. First up, the stock market. This is where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. It's the most popular market, offering long-term growth opportunities. For example, the S&P 500, which tracks the top 500 companies in the U.S., has delivered an average annual return of about 10% over the last 90 years. But remember, individual stocks can be risky, so diversification is key. Next, we have the Forex market, where currencies are traded. Forex is the largest market in the world, operating 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Investors profit by predicting currency price movements. For example, if you believe the US dollar will strengthen against the euro, you'd buy USD and sell EUR. But be cautious. While it offers high liquidity, it's also highly volatile. The commodities market allows you to trade physical goods such as gold, oil, and agricultural products. Commodities are a great way to hedge against inflation. For instance, gold prices often rise when the stock market falls. However, this market is influenced by external factors like geopolitical events and weather conditions, which can make it unpredictable. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that operate on blockchain technology. They've gained massive popularity for their potential for exponential growth. For example, Bitcoin surged from under $1,000 in 2017 to over $60,000 at its peak. However, the crypto market is notorious for its volatility, and regulations are still evolving. Only invest what you're willing to lose. Want to invest in real estate without buying property? Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, might be for you. They allow you to invest in real estate portfolios and earn passive income through dividends. REITs have historically delivered annual returns of 8 to 12%. They're a great option for diversifying your portfolio. Lastly, we have the bond market, perfect for those seeking stability. Bonds are essentially loans you give to governments or corporations in exchange for interest. While they're considered low risk, the returns are typically lower than other markets, and inflation can erode their value over time. So, there you have it. 6 types of trade markets to consider for your investments. Whether you prefer the stability of bonds or the high-risk, high-reward nature of cryptocurrencies, there's a market for everyone. Remember, always do your research and invest wisely. Which market are you most interested in? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to The Dollar Divide for more financial insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.